As a standard feature on all Intrepids, we install a fold-out swim ladder on one of the swim platforms. This allows for access to the boat if you should fall over the side. It's a safety precaution. You'll be able to swim up to the ladder, deploy it, and get back into the boat. To use the ladder, you simply push the locking pin away from the ladder and pull aft on it. Then fold down the 3 stages. The ladder's ready to use now. To put the ladder back in place, you'll fold the 3 stages together, lift up on its aft end, then push it into position, and make sure that the locking pin is deployed securely.